oil drain plug here with the 17mm socket. I urge you to please remain very cautious about where you put your body parts. The bike was just running, the oil will be warm, and there's a lot of hot parts on your bike right now. It will be a little bit difficult to get the oil out. You might want to grab on your bike for a little bit more of support, but please be cautious with where that is. Don't want you guys to get burned. Oh boy, that is going to be much harder than I thought. Oh my God, sweet baby Jesus. Did I get it? This oil is going to be extremely warm, so please try not to get it on your skin. Yep, just like that. We can let it drain for about 30 minutes. You're looking for any metal shavings here, any bubbling up. After about 30 minutes, you'll see that the oil coming out will start to slow down. This is a good time to change the oil filter. While it's draining out, I'm actually going to grab a shop towel so I can remove any excess debris, any particles before putting on the new one. It looks just like the other one. OEM. And this is going to sound silly, but before installing it, you're actually going to want to lube this up with the new oil. This will help create a seal so nothing gets out. You can probably do this part with your gloves on, but my gloves had the old oil on it in case there was any metal shavings or debris in it. I didn't want to put it onto the new oil filter. This is a personal preference, but I like to hand tighten before I use a tool. And this will be where we'll be putting in the new oil. What we're looking for is any leaks or the oil or any warning light appearing for more than 5 minutes after startup.